Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Felbis Nyapraba from 19107 from Bina Sarana Informatika University. Now, I would like to explain my opinion about smoking on campus area and the dangers it poses to yourself and the others. My opinion is smoking in campus area is prohibited and unhealthy for everyone. Smoking in the campus area can have negative effect on our personal health and the well-being of those around us. The effect of the cigarette smoke consumed, it can lead to respiratory issues, increase the risk of heart problems, and contribute to secondhand smoke exposure for non-smokers. Smoking also harms the overall environment by leaving behind cigarette butts and releasing toxic secondhand smoke. And now, let's all join hands in making a healthier and safer campus for everyone by not smoking in prohibited areas and quitting smoking together. It's time for us all to join in creating a healthier and safer campus where smoking in campus area is not safe for everyone. That's all my opinion regarding smoking in campus area. Thank you. Hello again. And now I want to explain about the question words. First, I want to explain for the meaning of question words are words that we use to form a question and asking a question in English. Question words are very often used in English communication. Usually, question words are often used to ask a question to form a noun clause or adjective clause because this is the function of question words. There are lots of question words used, for example, what, where, when, how, why, and many others. And as you already know, each question word always has a different use and function. So, for those of you who are studying question words, here is a short review that you can use to broaden your insight. First one is how. How is a question word in English which is used to ask about the method or process by which an event or action is carried out. Its function is to obtain information about the methods or procedure involved in situation or activity. Examples: how do you cook pasta? How did you build this Lego? And how do you bake a cake? Next one is who. Who is a question word in English that is used to ask about the identity of a person or group of people involved in a particular event, activity, or content. Who function to help us identify relevant people or subject in a context. Examples: who is coming to the party? Who sings this song? And who is your best friend? Next one is what. What is question word in English that is used to ask about objects, activities, or concepts that occur to are involved in a particular event, activity, or context. Its function is to obtain information about certain objects, activities, or concepts. The example is, what is your favorite color? What time is it? And what did you eat for breakfast? Next one is when. When is a question word in English that is used to ask about the time for time period in which an event occurred. Its function is to obtain information about a certain time or period in conversation or situation, as well as helping us to understand the sequence or schedule of an event. The examples is, when is your birthday? When is your flight to Paris? And when do the stores close? And next, where? Where is a question word in English that is used to ask about the location or place where an event occurred and a conversation or situation. Examples: where do you work? Where is the nearest hospital? Where does your family live? Next is why. Why is used to ask the reason behind an event, action, happening, or situation. So, when we want to know why something happened or why someone did something, we can ask why. Example: why did you come to the party? Why are you late? And why did you choose this university? And next is which. Which is a question word in English that helps us choose between several options. Its function to request information about a particular choice from a number of available options to help us in decision making or identify a specific object or person in particular situation or context. Examples: which color do you prefer, red or blue? Which book are you reading right now? And which movie did you watch last night? Next one is whom. Whom is a question word used to ask about the person who is the object of sentence. Whom helps us determine the relationship between subject and object in sentence. Examples: whom did you invite to the party? Whom do you trust the most? And whom are you waiting for? And the last one is whose. Whose is a question word in English which is used to ask about ownership or to whom a certain object or thing belongs. The examples is: how do you bake a cake? How do you cook pasta? And how did you build this Lego? Thank you so much. Hopefully the information I have conveyed can be useful for everyone. Here the following are the sources that I use. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.